Begin by opening Google Chrome and typing the IP address found on your LAN details page into the top navigation bar. You may see this screen. If so, click Advanced, then click Proceed. In some cases, you may be prompted to enter a username and password. The username is admin in all capital letters, and the default password is Canon in all lowercase letters. After logging in, a menu will appear on the left side of the window, which contains various options. Click on Google Cloud Print Setup. Then choose Register with Google Cloud Print. Click Yes. You'll be asked to select a language, and then click on Authentication at the bottom of the screen. A new tab will open in your web browser, and if you're not yet logged into your Google account, a Google account login prompt will appear. Enter the information required and click Next. Click Finish Printer Registration and wait for the lights on the printer to stop flashing. After the lights have stopped flashing, click Manage Your Printers on the confirmation screen. The printer list will be displayed. Your model will appear in the list, and it will show that it is ready for use.